Would MGR say that, Smita?
He absolutely would not.
So don't conveniently try and take over MGR's
Instead
legacy.
of bickering over this, I just want to say that the fight for MGR's, may I just come in, ma'am? The fight for MGR's legacy between all these several claimants, I think, is quite pointless. I mean, in politics across the country, we have seen that the legacy is frankly claimed by blood relatives or people who have worked in extreme close contact, worked in politics, not in films or anything. I mean, like Jayalalitha to an MGR or Mayawati to a Kanshiram. And that's about it, nothing more. Political parties can take, the name of everybody. Congress can say Nehru is ours, Patel is ours. But do you think that the BJP will allow Patel to be just the Congress parties? No. So similarly, JP, Lohia, NTR, they become everybody's. So the fact is that none of this has resonance, I think, when it actually comes to votes. Actual votes in 2020, 2021. Even the RJD did not use Lalu Yadav, its only icon, during the elections. Nobody believes that any of these parties have any connection to the icons of the 70s now. Even so, Kamala Hassan can make these tall claims, but people will vote for Kamala Hassan if they want to vote for Kamala Hassan, not because he says
making a claim, we have to counter
it. MGR incarnate. So ideology-wise or, anything else, it's kind of charming to say that, or it's cute to say that I'm inheriting MGR's legacy, but the point is it's nothing beyond just a personal tribute.
His death, MGR still relevant in Tamil Nadu politics. That is why his own partyman, the founder of ADMK is MGR. But those who are presently ruling the country, the Tamil Nadu, EPS and his own party men have completely ignored MGR, ignored the phenomenon of MGR, ignored the policy of MGR, ignored all the contribution made by MGR.
Oh,
MGR groomed party leaders.
Apsara can respond.
But the Amma has established all the leaders and created only slaves. Slaves are ruling the government. And
this is absolute rubbish. This is absolute rubbish. MGR came into politics. He had a clean image. His image was no smoking, no drinking, poor. That was his image. Where is Kamal Hassan compared to that? Can Kamal Hassan stand anywhere next to MGR? He can aspire to emulate him. But MGR came into the politics at the age of 40. By 50, you were a charismatic leader. He was a charismatic leader at 50. He broke away from, DMK in the year 1972. 73, he won the by-election. 77, he was the chief minister. You guys are forgetting all this. What's Kamal Hassan's age? He is 66. Kamal Hassan's age is 66, my friend. MGR came into politics at 40. 50, he was a charismatic leader. 72, he went away from the party. 73, he won the election.
Arvind is responding to
by-election. 77, he was the chief minister. What are you comparing?
Not